Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. As you can see, I'm using Tesla Autopilot, and this current technology is keeping me on the straight and narrow. Yes, pun intended. Autopilot keeps me on the straight and narrow, comfortably inside the lane. As I drive on Hong Kong roads, I am constantly observing and looking at how drivers drive. I am often amazed at how other drivers drive so poorly, and it really does scare me. Here are some examples of how Tesla's steady autopilot technology works in comparison to error-prone human drivers. In a minute, we also get to hear from Elon Musk himself. One main reason for poor driving standards here in Hong Kong is the frequent use of phones while driving. This taxi driver in front of me was most likely using one of his many phones and therefore was weaving and slowing down in the road tunnel. Now that he's finished, he shoots off way over the speed limit. Maintaining constant speed makes more sense to me. It is a more efficient and safer way to drive.
It very often seems like it's about to happen until you realize that you're actually at a local maximum and that you need to re-architect elements of the software to get out of the local maximum to then a higher local maximum. So it's been a sort of series of logarithmic curves, and that's why it's been like, it seemed like, oh, if you just extrapolate this on a straight line, I guess it's just self-driving, except that it's not a straight line, it's a logarithmic curve, and it sort of, yeah, and you start hitting these like local maximums where you sort of asymptote to a certain capability and then have to re-architect things. So now I think we're finally at a high enough local maximum, or will be this year, where to the point where it is, I think, probably safer than a person. The probability of injury on average will be better than a person, even if someone pays no attention to the car. It is worth saying that right now, for human supervised Tesla's full self-driving, it is dramatically safer than manual driving. It's like, I think like 4 times safer, maybe more. So it is already a massive safety improvement to have human supervised FSD right now. And I think we will get to the point where we're always going to be at some amount of local maximum, but I think that we'll be in a local maximum that exceeds human level safety this year. Yeah, but I guess we'll see. So
Elon is correct in saying that right now, human supervised FSD or autopilot is much more safer than normal human driving. I see this all the time here in Hong Kong, and even though FSD is not legal or available in Hong Kong, I can safely say that the current Tesla Autopilot software is far more safer than any driver in Hong Kong. Just take a look at this idiot slow middle lane hogger who is on the phone. What a crazy driver.
it is worth saying that right now, for human supervised Tesla's full self-driving, it is dramatically safer than manual driving. It's like, I think like 4 times safer, maybe more. So it is already a massive safety improvement to have human supervised FSD right now.
In summary, autopilot software in many modern cars is far safer than normal human manual driving. The reason why there are so many traffic accidents is because of human error. Whenever I can, when traveling at speed and on highways and inside road tunnels, I will engage autopilot. I will also naturally keep observing my surroundings and keep an eye out for error-prone drivers. There's always a chance that manual drivers, like this truck driver, will make a mistake.
It is worth saying that right now, for human supervised Tesla's full self-driving, it is dramatically safer than manual driving. It's like, I think like 4 times safer, maybe more. So it is already a massive safety improvement to have human supervised FSD right now.
I hope you found this video useful. Please don't get me wrong, I truly enjoy driving, but having seen so many poor drivers in Hong Kong, I can't wait for more drivers to use Autopilot and FSD software so that we can reduce and eventually eliminate human mistakes in driving. Thanks for watching and stay safe.